Hello, and welcome to day 9 of my 17 album advent calendar. That's the last few things trickled in from the mail today, so I officially have everything I need in my advent calendar, so all the numbers are in here. Today we are opening number 4. So let's locate number 4. Okay, looks like this is number 4. And it looks like today we are going to open Going 17 Make-A-Wish version, which I'm excited about because I'm excited about all of them. So this will be good. All right. Oh, front. Here's the side, the back. So on Going 17, Beautiful. I really like Beautiful. Obviously Boom Boom. I've already talked about Boom Boom before, but when I first was getting into 17, Boom Boom was one of my absolute favorite tracks. Have Highlight, which is another good one. The rest are in Korean. And maybe I should know what they are, but just having Boom Boom on this album is great. So the slip cover comes off, and we have the photo book. Let's see, so we'll get there. Okay, flipped over the photo cards. Okay, photo cards, so we move the inclusions out. Then we have a lyrics paper. I guess we can look at the CD first. So a little message in the bottle. It's kind of fun. Okay, so lyrics paper. So this one's kind of hard to show on camera, sorry. And it is just kind of a typical lyrics paper. Credits. Okay, so let's quickly look through the photo book. So we're starting out with Wonu. Mingyu. Oh goodness, I like it when his hair is pushed back. And it's like he has micro bangs here, so that makes me laugh. But when he has his hair pushed back, goodness, that is much more attractive. I think I'm glad most of the photos are like that. Oh, I spoke too soon. Vernon, it looks like he has a sore neck or something. Oh, they're talking about their wishes. So Vernon wants to have a party. What did Wonu want? Wonu wants to write lyrics. Mingyu wants to sing. Okay, this is cute. S-Coops. That's adorable. S-Coops wants to take a nice trip. Oh, and so he's posing with a suitcase. They look so little. So I guess the hip hop team is going to go on vacation. They're going to sing and write songs, lyrics, and then at some point they're going to party. That's what the hip hop team is going to do. So what is the performance unit going to do? Okay, so the A is going to be taking pictures, while Dino is, did I miss it? Okay, Dino is going to dandy. What does that mean? Maybe he wants to be a dandy, so he wants to be like well dressed. Dino, what do you mean? I don't understand. Okay. I'm going with Dino wants to look dandy. He wants to be a dandy. June wants to be a man. Well, June, I think you got your wish. You are a man now. Hoshi. Goodness, he looks so little there. Oh, goodness. He wants to explore the world. Okay. Okay, so they're going to be well-dressed men exploring the world and taking photos, I guess. That's the performance unit. Jonghyun wants to study. You know, that does kind of fit him. Is Jonghyun one of the members that's doing a graduate degree right now, like in business? He was. It's been said he's pretty smart too, so Uji. I think Uji's hair for this comeback, I just loved him with like the lightish brown perm. I loved his hair this comeback so much. He wants to do puzzles. Oh, Uji, that's cute. I don't know why. In this picture, I kind of want to buy another photo book of this just so I can frame this picture. I don't know why. And this one too. Oh, Uji. In case you didn't know, Uji is my bias. So, yes. And when he was little, he was just so cute. Cute as a button. Not that he's not cute anymore, but I think he has been trying to move on from the cute image. They don't style him cute nearly as much as they did, which is to be expected, but that doesn't mean I can't appreciate his cute days. So let's see, what does Joshua want to do? It looks like Joshua wants to paint. Yes, Joshua wants to be painting. Someone drinking tea? Is that what's on coffee? I should have known. I should have known. I should have known that that was coffee and not tea. And DK, does he want to be reading? Yep, DK wants to be reading. So it sounds like while the hip hop team and the performance team are traveling the world, the vocal unit is just going to sit together in silence, studying, reading, drinking coffee, painting, and doing puzzles. So that's funny. For Uji, that doesn't surprise me because he's such a homebody anyway, but for everybody else, that seems a little different. And thanks page, and the credits page. Okay, so let's look at here. So let's see what our this is my art embarkation card. So it just has their names and I'm guessing their birthdays. Carat birthdays, so that's cute. Guess we'll start with the paddle. And we've got Hoshi's paddle. I don't know what to do with this. Or what paddle oar. I guess an oar is a type of paddle. So I don't know what people do with this, but we got Hoshi's. Let's, I guess, start with the performance unit photo card. And okay, so we got DK and Joshua for the unit photo, and I saw the name on the other photo card. And then we got a Dino photo card. So unfortunately, no new members today. I'm hoping that I can get a photo card of each of the members, but I'm not disappointed. I might not sound super high energy, but that's because it's like 11 o'clock at night and I am doing this instead of being in bed. But this Dino photo card is actually really cute, and I cannot be disappointed I got it. And I can't be disappointed in DK and Joshua either. So hopefully throughout the next few days I'm only missing 3 member photo cards. I'm still missing S Coops and Hoshi and Mingyu. But so I got another Hoshi inclusion, I guess, but I'm really hoping to get a Hoshi photo card. Anyway, this was another good day. So I will see you tomorrow for day 10.